We are going to look at expressions and equations. An expression is something similar to 6 minus 4. An expression is a mathematical phrase or formula that does not contain an equal sign, meaning there will be no answer on an expression. An equation, such as 6 minus 4 equals 2, is a number sentence with an equal sign. So an expression will not have an equal sign, but an equation must have an equal sign. Now, these are key words and phrases that will help you understand writing an expression or equation and whether you need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So pause your screen for a minute and look at some of these key words so you become familiar with them. So we're going to look at this first one, which is called subtract 19 from 26 and then subtract 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 26 and I'm going to subtract 19 from it. And then I'm going to subtract 5. But when I read this, it's asking me to do this part first, 26 minus 19. Well, in order to show order of operations, I'm going to add parentheses around these two numbers, so that way I know to start there. 26 minus 19, then subtract 5. This is an example of an expression because there is no equal sign, there is no answer. Here we have add 9 and 6 and then add 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 9 plus 6, and then I'm going to add 7. But remember, if it asks me to do this part first, I'm going to stick some parentheses around it just to remind me to start there. So here we have find the product of 2 and 8 and then multiply by 6. What do you think our expression would look like here? So we're going to start with 2 times 8 because product is a key word for multiplication. And then it asks me to then multiply by 6. So multiply by 6. But remember, I can throw parentheses around this part, and that's going to show me to start there. 2 times 8, then multiply by 6. This one says to divide 3 by the sum of 2 and 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 and 8, and sum means that we're going to add. Alright, but we need to divide 3 by the sum of 2 and 8. So that means we're going to have 3 divided by the sum of 2 plus 8. But we're going to throw some parentheses around 2 and 8 to tell us to start there first. So 2 plus 8, then divide by 3. So what I want you to do is pick 2 problems from this screen and try to write the matching expression. If you get stuck, ask your teacher for help. If you feel comfortable, try all 4.